Bit of a tour around the studio today. So I've set it out with mostly the Three Valleys paintings, which I do quite a lot of the Three Valleys. So I've just sold one, so I'm just showing you that one before it goes and a few others. So down here, if you come and have a look, this one is just above Meribel Monterey, and it's quite textured and it's very colourful. And it's actually a repaint of one I did in oils, and then I went over it in acrylics to bring out the texture more. So that's a really beautiful one. And then here we've got one of my one of the chairlifts that I like to paint. So this is Courchevel down on this side, and then we just pop over into Meribel. We've got the chairlift, the off-piste skiers in this area where there's a lot of off-piste. Two chairlifts coming up. Then over here, just near my messy room, we've got, this is just above Courchevel, and the tignes just over here, and the chairlift is just a little bit higher up here, but this is one of my little favourite off-piste gullies that I love to come down through the woods from skiing above Courchevel. This one, I'm going to get this off the wall because you can't see this one. This is a really fun one. This is, I think it's Scene Paron, and that is just at the top of the cable car. And it's my sort of Van Gogh impression. So we've got lots of light, lots of dark. We've got the little restaurant at the top, and the guys in 3D coming off the cable car. So that's that one. And then over here, we've got another Three Valleys with the Salure here. Sweeping down from the cable car here, round this little connecting piece, and then dropping down to Courchevel, or you take the little connection here, drop down into Meribel, they call Thornens just over the top. Got the famous little rock with a division going Courchevel, Meribel up here. And then on this one over here, we've got the top of Salure, a bit more neutral colours, which isn't typically me. We've got a lot of dark blues, greys, neutrals. We've got lots and lots of people on this one. And we've got the cable car at the top. We've got the gondola coming up from Meribel, that's coming up from Courchevel. Dropping down to Courchevel and then down to Meribel. We've got, I like these little danger signs here with the avalanche and rocks and all the stuff that you don't want to hit. So over here, I don't know if you'll recognise this, it's quite colourful. We've got a lovely chairlift up here in 3D, and down here is Val Thorens. So we're just above Val Thorens at the head of this chairlift, just near the gondola. The gondola's over that side, I think. And we've got the little pink restaurant here, which I love to go to a little hot chocolate in. So that's a nice one. We've got top of Salure, if you can see this one. Top of Salure at the top, and then becoming off-piste, dropping down into Meribel Monterey. So that's quite a small one for me, that one. And then here, I am not sure if this is Three Valleys or not, but it reminds me of the one I was just showing you over there, my favourite little piece to come down. If I'm staying at Latania, it's all black and white, lots of texture, and we've got the snowstorm, which I'm nearly always